In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick view in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a quick view button on your collection pages that opens a pop-up with more product details, helping your customers browse faster without leaving the page. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the online store option and click it. This will bring you to your themes section, where you'll see a list of your themes with your current theme at the very top. On that current theme, click the option to edit the theme. This opens the theme editor, where we'll be making all of our changes. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a page selector, which is usually set to your homepage by default. Click that drop-down, and from the list of templates, choose Collections, and then select the default collection. This switches the preview on the right to show a typical collection page, so you can see how your quick view will look in context. On the left panel, you'll see the list of sections for this template. Find the collection section and click the small arrow next to it to expand it. This will reveal the blocks under it, such as product title, price, and other elements, as well as an add block button. Click add block under the product card, then choose custom liquid. Once the block is added, drag and drop it to position it. A good spot is right under the product title or under the price, so the quick view button is easy for customers to notice. Now click the custom liquid block you just added to open its settings. You'll see a text box where you can paste your code. Paste the same quick view button code you're using. You can pause this video if you need more time to clearly see and copy the code. Once that's in place, look at the preview on the right, and you should now see a quick view button appear on each product card. Next, we'll add the quick view modal itself. Click the back arrow on the top left of the editor panel to return to the main list of sections. Under the template area, click Add Section, and from the pop-up options, choose Custom Liquid again. Click the New Custom Liquid section to open its settings. In the text box, paste the full modal code that powers the pop-up. This code is a bit longer, so feel free to pause and carefully copy everything to avoid missing any part. Once the code is in, look back at the preview on the right and click any quick view button. You should now see a pop-up appear, showing more detailed product information without navigating away from the collection page. If everything looks good and works as expected, go to the top right of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your quick view feature is now live on your Shopify collection pages.